Hi everybody, my name is Lana Summer and I make hair care videos here on YouTube, and this is my summer hair care series. So every week throughout the month of June I am posting summer hair care tips and my secrets and my routines and my products to make sure that you can have the best summer of hair care of your life. Last week we did move away from summer hair care because there was a Fenty hair care launch, so I really just wanted to make sure that I could review the Fenty hair care. I'm going to leave it up here and in the description box so that you can check that out. Make sure you do, because I had a lot to say about it. In today's video we are going to talk about my curly hair routine for the summertime. Also, if you saw my last few videos then you'll already know that I am currently running a big summer giveaway, and all of the information is going to be linked in the description box. Don't miss it. The value of the giveaway is £300. It's really easy to apply, just check out the rules down below. So let's talk summer curly hair routine. Obviously I can't speak for everybody. Everybody's hair is different. The climate is going to be different everywhere, so not everyone's routine is going to work for everyone. But what I can say about mine is that in the summertime here in the UK it definitely gets a lot more humid, so that humidity can really do a number on your hair. So what can we do about that? Well, it all comes down to your curly hair routine and the products that you use. You really want to focus on moisture. Like if your hair is dry and thirsty, your hair will grab moisture from the air, and that moisture will make your curls revert back if you've styled them. So you'll end up with frizzy hair, reverting hair. You need to make sure that you properly style it for the humidity. And the same thing in the dry climate. You just want to make sure that your hair is moisturized, because otherwise it's going to get dried out, because then what happens is that the air starts to zap the moisture out of your hair and your hair can get very, very dry. So all in all, a summer hair care routine comes down to moisture and retaining that moisture in your hair with proper styling. So I'm going to show you the products that I use, I'm going to show you my routine, and I'm going to show you how I style my hair as well. So if you're ready and I'm ready, let's get into it. This is probably like a very typical hairstyle for me in the summertime. I'm likely just like want to get my hair off of my neck and just keep it out of my face. So yeah, it's in a bun and I'm going to take it down. My hair is sweaty. I did cardio yesterday. My hair needs a wash. In the summertime I do wash my hair more often, so definitely more than once a week. Sometimes it's 2-3 times a week, sometimes even more on holiday. So I've already kind of detangled my hair like a couple of days ago, so I don't need to do it pre-detangle like I would do like in the winter time. Like if you've seen my other hair care routines, then you'll know that I have become quite fond of doing a pre-poo with a pre-detangle before shampooing my hair. But today I don't think that that's necessary because I don't really have many tangles in my hair. So I'm going to jump straight in and rinse my hair and shampoo it. So let's do that. So this is the Aveda Be Curly Advanced Shampoo, which fights frizz and moisturizes. So this is primarily a moisturizing shampoo, which is good to have in the summertime when you are washing your hair so often. Obviously you want to have a good thorough cleanse, so I really like that this lathers up, but it is still nice and creamy, so it's not going to strip your hair if you are washing your hair with this 1, 2, 3, 4 times a week. Alternatively, if you don't even want this much lather, if you don't even want this level of cleansing, you can even opt for a co-wash, and it's just going to be like a really quick midweek wash. Today I'm going to use this one, especially as I've done cardio and everything like that, and I do really want that clean feeling on my scalp, so I'm going to go with this. So a good rule of thumb is to look at how creamy the shampoo is. If it's very creamy, then that's probably a moisturizing shampoo, and that's going to be fine to use multiple days a week. But a more clear and gel-like shampoo is going to be more focused on cleansing, and if you use that multiple times a week, you might start to find that that can feel stripping. Now it's time to rinse this shampoo. Now we need a conditioner, and this is very important in a summer hair care routine. It's important all year round, but in the summertime having well conditioned hair will literally make or break your curly hair routine. That's because your hair needs to be hydrated during your conditioning step of your routine, and you need to make sure that it's good quality hydration. And if your hair is well hydrated, it's not going to be seeking moisture from the outside humid air. So it's going to be able to maintain the style that you put in it. It's not going to be pulling moisture from the outside, and it's not going to start reverting back. It's going to have enough moisture already in it, and it's going to be happy with how you style it. So with that said, I'm actually going to condition twice. So I'm going to condition with the Be Curly Advanced Conditioner. So I'm just going to apply this all over my hair right now. So my hair is detangled and it's conditioning right now, so I'm going to rinse this off. I'm even going to be a little bit extra, and I'm also going to do their deep conditioning mask. So this is the Aveda Intensive Curl Perfecting Mask. This is highly moisturizing. It contains glycerin, coconut oil, shea butter, sunflower seed oil, and that just feels instantly so nourishing for my hair. Like, obviously I've just done the conditioner, but I can already kind of tell that this is just going to set everything now. Okay, so I've been sitting with deep conditioner on my hair now for about half an hour, and it's time to take this off. So in this line, they have like 3 stylers, or I have 3 of their stylers. So you have the Curl Enhancing Cream, which I like to think of as kind of a leave-in conditioner. But then you also have the Curl Perfecting Primer. So this preps your hair for styling. It's a spray, but it's quite creamy. So I'm thinking that I would like to pair this with the gel. I'm going to show you the difference. On one side, I'll do the spray and the gel, and on the other side, I'll do the cream and the gel. So this side is going to be the spray and the gel. So the gel does contain glycerin, and I know that glycerin is kind of a hot topic when it comes to humidity and summer hair care, because glycerin is kind of primarily a humectant, and a lot of my favorite brands and a lot of my favorite products use glycerin in their anti-humidity products. Essentially, it comes down to the formulation of the products and the relationship between the chemicals and the ingredients in the products. If they're using glycerin, but they're also using a little bit of this and a little bit of that, ultimately it comes together and it creates a product that is great for curly hair in the summertime. And if it works, and I'm happy with it. I just have to trust my favorite brands. So I love Aveda, like brands like the Curl Company, Dad, and they all have these amazing products that contain glycerin that work amazing for humidity and in their gel. So I'm just testing the different product pairings to show you, and I think it's really clear that on the side where I'm using the cream, my curls are bouncing back so much more. Like, that cream is really helping to give me some defined curls, so I feel like that's really gonna lock in the style. It's perfect for the summertime humidity. So for this routine, even though it's a summertime routine and it's gonna be warm outside, I still want to dry my hair at least a little bit, because I just want to make sure that my hair is not going to be losing moisture to the outside climate or trying to find moisture in the outside climate. I just want to make sure that my cuticles are sealed. We're going to apply some serum afterwards as well, and that's really just going to protect my hair from that swelling and shrinking and swelling and shrinking that you get when your hair is either too wet or too dry for the climate outside in the summertime. So I hope that makes sense. So the hairdryer that I'm going to be using today is my XIAOMI Hair high-speed hairdryer. So I found this on AliExpress, and I was looking for something that's affordable, that I can travel with, that I don't have to worry too much about the price. At the moment, this is £33, and you might know that like the other hairdryer that I use is like £400, so it makes it a bit riskier to travel with. And yeah, this is just such a more budget-friendly option, and I'm very grateful to AliExpress for sponsoring this segment of the video today. So even though this is a budget-friendly option, it's still really powerful. So this has 1600 watts of power, so it's still really efficient and effective at drying your hair. It's still going to save you a ton of time in your daily routine. It's also really fast, so this operates at 110,000 RPM with high-speed negative eons. They promise a professional grade hair care experience which reduces frizz and leaves your hair smooth and shiny. It does have multiple heat settings, so you can adjust this to your styling preferences. I am going to have mine on the lowest heat. So this hairdryer does actually offer you quite a lot of choice considering how affordable it is. So it has the 2 airflow settings and then 4 temperature settings, and the temperature is indicated by the color that you'll see here, and I think that's so cute. So cold air is blue, warm air is orange, hot air is red or pink, and then if you want a hot and cold cycle, it will kind of bounce between blue and red. So for my curly hair, I'm going to have it on the low airflow, and I'm going to have it on warm air. I'm not going to be drying my hair with red, like the hot temperature. It's never too hot with this because it never goes higher than 57 Celsius, but I just will avoid that anyway. So the great thing about this is it's going to dry my hair really quickly, which is perfect for the summertime when I just want to get up and go. but it's not going to blow my curls out, and that really comes down to my technique. So I'm making sure that I'm blow drying downwards in the direction of my hair. I'm not going to dry upwards. I'm not going to do that kind of scooping method like what you would see with a diffuser. I'm really just maintaining the direction of my hair, and that's going to help me to prevent frizz. I'm not going to be ruffling up my feathers here, and it's going to give me a bit of an elongated curl as well, which I really like for the summertime. This is kind of what I like to see for my curls in the summertime. They are not totally shrunken up, they are just kind of like elongated. So I'm just going to carry on. Not only is this hairdryer super cute, it's very sleek, it's easy to hold, easy to use, but that negative ion technology that it uses actually helps to close the cuticle layer, which helps to lock in my hair's moisture, and it leaves a smooth, silky result as well. So I'm really enjoying this. So I'm going to go and dry the rest off camera and I'll be back. Hey, so I've just gone and done a little bit more drying with my XIAOMI hair dryer. I've gone and freshened up. It's getting a little bit chilly because even though this is a summer hair care routine, it's not summering outside. So I've gone and put on a long sleeve and I am about to head out. But let's just do the last bit of drying because I do have like a little bit of dampness back here. So let's just do that. I am ready to head out, and I'm so impressed because drying my hair was so quick just then. I'm surprised and I'm impressed by this hairdryer because it's so affordable and it doesn't come with a diffuser attachment, but I just feel like it doesn't necessarily need it, at least not for me. Like, I don't feel like my hair's been blown out, it hasn't been made frizzy, I haven't lost any definition with this. I mean, I do love to use a diffuser attachment, but I think as long as your hairdryer has all of the controls it needs, so it has a low airflow and, you know, if you can change the temperature controls and everything, and if it has that negative ion technology to make sure that it's smoothing and it isn't causing frizz, then you should be good to go. And you might have seen that I was holding it kind of far away, but I didn't even need to. Sometimes I was up here and I just feel like my hair has been dried, and that's fine. And I think that's perfect for the summertime because we don't have very much time. I feel like in the winter I'm just kind of at home more and I've got more time to just dry my hair slowly with the diffuser. But in the summertime I want to get places, I want to go, you know, I come alive in the summertime and I just really want to maximize my daily routine. So having a quick hair dryer that doesn't blow out all of my curls is great. So I'm gonna link this down below and you guys can check it out. I've also left all of the Aveda hair care products in the description box down below, so make sure you check those out as well. I am loving them. This video has been part of my summer hair care series and I am running a big summer giveaway. All of the information about that will be in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out as well. The giveaway has everything. It has Aveda hair care products in it, it has brushes, it has tools, it has some of my favorite skincare from Ren, it has nails, lashes, it has so much in it. I really want you guys to be in with a chance of winning, so definitely check out all of the rules on how to enter in the description box down below. If you like this video, please thumbs it up. Also subscribe and turn on your notifications. You can also get me on Instagram and TikTok because I'm there all the time. Have an amazing week, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.